In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why 95% of affiliate marketers never make a sale. When I first started affiliate marketing over 10 years ago, you used to have to write a blog or try to rank your site on Google search, post to forums or Facebook groups, but all of that's changed. It's easier than ever to make sales with affiliate marketing. And it is the easiest and best way to make money online because you just promote someone else's product. So very simply, you just promote someone else's product for a commission. So when you sign up for their affiliate program, you get a unique affiliate link that's directly tracked and paid out directly to you. And anytime someone buys through your link, you get the commission. So ultimately though, getting traffic to that link, getting people to buy and click on the link is very difficult because most people don't know how to drive traffic. If you did, you could have success with any offer, and you could promote your own offer, you could promote someone else's offer. But ultimately, you have to match the right offer with the right people, and you have to figure out where those people are, right? So nowadays, it's very simple. People are watching short form content and YouTube, right? We're all here on YouTube. And they've left those forums and those Facebook groups and stuff, and they're all here on the short form platforms. And what we have to be able to do is capture those people, bring them to the offer. So I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that here in this video. Number one, you need to be posting short form content. Everyone that you know makes money online posts some kind of content, okay? You don't necessarily need to show your face, but it does help build trust. Secondly, you need to post with the right framework, okay? So I posted for years, not really knowing what the heck I was doing, but it wasn't until I looked at the successful posts within my niche and tried to copy what they're doing. So the framework of what they're doing, the video length, the text on the screen, the music, things like that. Once I kind of understood what they're doing and what the best posts look like, then I had a nice game plan to gain traffic. But even once you get views and likes and saves on a video, that doesn't necessarily mean you're going to make any money. What you need to do then is bring those people off platform, okay? And that's where ManyChat comes in. If you've heard of ManyChat, ManyChat. ManyChat allows you to send automated DMs. So what you'll do is put, comment ready, and I'll send you the guide or send you the system or the product or whatever. And from there, ManyChat, once they comment, ManyChat will respond to the comment and automatically send them a DM with your affiliate link. And that's ultimately how you're going to really bring these people off platform and convince them to buy, is through ManyChat automations. Because if you do have a viral post, you just can't respond to everyone quickly. ManyChat automates that process. You can also set up automation for DMing new followers, and that one's going to look a little different because what you want to do is kind of send them a welcome message first, and then you want to, once they reply, then you could send them the link. Okay, so Instagram is picky about how you handle the messages. If you send too many messages too quickly, things like that. But then you need the right offer. So that's the third part. You need traffic. You need a way to get them off the platform. We've talked about that. And then you need the right offer. The right offer is an affiliate offer that the people who you make content for would want. Okay. So let's say you're in the make money online niche. You need some kind of educational product or something that will help them with their business, things like that. But the best affiliate programs are always something with reoccurring commissions and give you a nice healthy payout, not 5% of a sale. You're never going to make real money that way. So what I highly suggest that you do is you check out my school group in the link in the description below. And there's an affiliate program for my school group. Once you sign up for my group, you automatically become an affiliate and you get 50% reoccurring commissions. There's no other affiliate program in the world like this. And I truly believe it's the best. So I'm so happy that I could have you here with me today in this video, in this moment right now, where I get to share with you this knowledge and provide the opportunity to make money online. So within the group, I teach you the full viral video framework, the automations, how to set up a high trust Instagram account so that you maximize your views. I teach you everything you need to know. So I don't just give you the link and tell you that you can make money from it. I teach you how to promote the link in the group. So definitely recommend you check it out. Link in the description below. And before you leave, subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. And please like this video, because the YouTube overlords have decided that in order for me to reach more people, you need to engage with this video. So please do so in every way you can, and comment your income goals below and any questions you may have. Peace.